Hi guys, welcome to Cut Tech Everything. Today we're going to be talking about the iRobot Roomba 690. It's a decent vacuum robot that I've been using for a while, for about 3 years now. It's pretty decent, still does the work, though it's quite old now. It was from 2017 when it first came out. So in the box, it comes in a medium size box. It comes with a visible wall with some batteries and a manual, just pretty basic. And right now I'm just gonna allow you to listen to how it sounds when it's working, the noise, before we continue. Alright guys, so that was a little video just to show you how noisy it is. It's quite loud and it does a pretty good job. Like I said, it picks up all the fine dust, and I usually run it when I'm not home because of the noise, so that way I'm not home. But it does also pick up cables if you leave cables and things lying around, so you really have to pick out all those things. It does come with some spares that you can buy from Amazon. They're quite cheap, so spares are not a problem. They're very simple parts that you need to replace. The small little brushes. We're gonna open it right now just to show you the parts. Very simple to replace. Two roller blades. These are really new. I bought them recently, so I'm just gonna show you how to remove them and put them back. Very easy and simple to do. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.